I guess we're gonna call this. I'm driving my rod knock Jeep to my best friend's house.
Yep.
So, yep. I'm gonna. So we're bored, hanging out at the house. I'm waiting for parts to come in for this. I got a video coming for this. I'm gonna have the full beginning to end. There's a couple parts for it coming in. You'll see the video for that soon. But we're bored out of our mind. Buddy came up from Port St. Lucie. I want to take this down to the friend's house at least and just show him how it rides. We'll see if my Allen key for bolt falls out or not. I'm just gonna drive down the street, so I don't think it. Oh, I hope it won't, but it's almost falling out.
Isn't it all the way through?
It's not all the way through.
Yeah, dude.
Oh. No, it's all the way through. Barely. Barely.
Literally barely.
Yeah, this whole front end's jank. This bolt hole is wallered out, so that whole link moves back and forth. That's why the axle kind of shakes back and forth when I turn. So you move in your car and I'll move the truck. I almost wiped my face with that.
What's that?
Grease.
Good?
Yep.
Alright.
Oh. Tighten the flex plate. And I didn't hear a knock when I started it up, so might be better. Oh, hold up, let me see this. Here, let me get this on video. Alright, come on, door, shut. I think it's shut. Alright. These horrible brakes. I don't even think they're gonna work to get there. Here, you wanna hold this? It's moving. And we're off. Oh shit. This bridge is all wobbly. Not bad. Got a couple lights, like fuel and engine, and sounds like my engine's still there. Sounds like it's still getting fuel. Let's take out the trash can.
Yeah, take it out completely.
Tires as big as it.
Okay.
Wish I had a horn, dude. That's the worst thing about this.
Oh, the horn doesn't work?
No. It's the worst. You can't do nothing. I want to drive into his backyard. I think I might try. Over the bridge and through the hills to Grandma's house we go. See if he's outside. out back. I see him out back. See if we can do this. This bridge might collapse on us.
Yeah, that's my one fear.
Think we should try it?
I mean, if it does collapse, I think these tires are big enough to still go over it.
It's only two-wheel drive though. I want to try it though.
Actually. Alright. We got over it.
Yee, motherfucker!
Fucking highball!
Look at him on the back. We got bored and I had to go for a ride.
Yeah.
So I was worried about going over the bridge.
Oh yeah?
It's like, dude, don't give out, don't give out.
God. Honestly, every time I go over that bridge, I'm scared of that. Because, like...
He was like, the tires are big enough, it should be fine. And I was like, it's only two-wheel drive right now.
Yeah,
I was like...
It'd be stuck AF.
My talking door. Screaming door. Terrible. Let's see if we collapse. No collapse. Let's see how fast we can go. So my speedometer still works.
No light.
Oh shit. So 20 is when it death wobbles. But we're off road, so it might not just it might just swirl around and side to side. Let's keep going. We're getting to 20. We're 20 something and a half. I'm not gonna keep going because I can't stop in case there's
That's so
somebody.
true.
In case there's somebody at the intersection. Oh, I got a little bit of brakes. They kind of bleed themselves, you know. Alright. Still knocks. It might be the flex plate because it's missing a bolt. You gonna need help with this one? Look at you. We're not going fast anyway. That's perfect right there. Look, can you believe my old shocks? Look, this kind of looks like it's new, so they work perfect. Latch is a little rusty, sticks sometimes, but perfect. Like I just pull the latch, push, and then I can back up and it goes up. Not bad.